Alright guys, we are here at a 757. I'm going to show you some key differences here. Okay? The winglet is curved really high compared to a 737. Okay? Now, look at the body. We call this the flying pencil. Do you see how it's very narrow? Okay? Now, one major difference between these and most of them, look at the strut, okay? It's a very high aircraft, okay? And there is the engine for the 7.5. It's just like a 737 and a 7.6 together. Matter of fact, look at the strut in the very front. It's pretty high.